Hi students, good morning everyone. In this class, we will take another lesson, new lesson, that is water from life. Now students, think yourself, without water we can live or not? Think yourself. Yes, without water we cannot live. Without water we will die. Yes, water is very necessary for all living things like plant, animals, trees, and human beings. So these all living things have water to live. Without water, we cannot live on earth. So that is why water is very necessary to us. And children, water is most common liquid on earth. And I hope all of you think and you should, all of you know about water. We will see through the water. Yes or no? Yes. If you can go to the river or any kind of pond, in those places a pure water is there. In that water you will see what is there, what are there under the water. We will see with the water. Okay. And the students, water is colorless, without color. Okay. Water have no permanent color. And water is transparent. I have already told you. Go to the river or pond or your home. You will take a cup of water or bucket of water and down that some coins or anything. So you will see through the water. A coin is looking through the water. Means water is transparent. Yes, we can see through the water. So that's why we call water is transparent. And we can see through the water and feel. Yes, cold water, hot water. And we taste. A sweet water is there. A salt water is there. Okay. So water is very necessary to all living things. Every day we will use water. We drink water. We bath with water. We cook with using water. We wash our things, clothes and our vehicles and clean our home with water. Water is very necessary. And our body is also made up of water. 70% of water, our body is made up by the water. So that's why water is very important for us and it is very necessary for all living things. Think yourself, in summer days, so many plants not grown fastly. Some plants are died or dried because they have no water. Without water, the plants will die. And animals also wander to searching water for summer days. Rainy season, it's okay. They have some ponds and some little bit of water place. Okay, and the animals all go to that particular area and they drink water. And humans, we also use water with river, with ponds and and bore wells, tube wells. We also need water. And the students, source of water. On land, means on earth, most common water source is rain. We depend on rain to water. Without rain, we cannot have water. If some days, means rainy season, if we not satisfied for the rain, so that is very horrible. Okay, means water scarcity is happens because of rain not coming correct right time in that particular days. So that is very horrible. Even these days also, so many areas they have very scarcity of water because rain will be not came correct time, means right time on that particular in that particular area. We have rivers and tube wells and bore wells and ponds. Okay, so these all have depending on rain. Without rain, water will be not useful for us. And rainwater is very pure and good for us. And it is the primary and the purest source of water. Okay, rain is the purest and primary, means primary, means first we will depending rainwater. Without rain, no one river not flow. Okay, so that is why rain is very important, and the rain is the greatest source of water is rain. Okay, and the students on earth, wherever you go, that particular area you will see some rivers and ponds and bore wells and tube wells. So depending on rain. And the students, these rainwater should be how rain it happens, because on land which places have covered with water, like rivers and ponds and tube wells or bore wells, so these are water cycle. Continuously it will be cycling. Okay. For example, these drop in rainwater, so many clouds will be formed with the water vapors. On land, water content is there, so that water content should be vapors, means dried vapor, and that water droplets should be formed like a cloud, and that clouds should be again it will be transferred, means converted as a raindrops. Many of the clouds are there, so those clouds are melted. Okay, and that melted clouds should be dropped by the rain, means, so that's why we are calling rain. The droplets, a cloud often collide and join together, one another to join together, and those clouds should be come to the ground, means earth. So that is called rain. Okay, so this will be happens continuously. Sometimes heavy rainfall is happens because of so many of thousands of, means a bundle of clouds are there. So those clouds are collide and join together. After those are melted and converted to the water drop. Okay, the students, rain feeds a water, so many water bodies like lakes, rivers, ponds, and sometimes some of the rainwater is goes underground, means we will pick up, means underground water is there, so those underground water should be, we will dig out from the tube wells or bore wells. All of you know about bore wells or tube wells. Okay, so underground water will be come outside on land or earth, so that is underground water. So these all water sources continuously recycling. Okay, rain is coming and those rainwater means lakes, rivers or underground water should be vapor up. Okay, and again it converts clouds and again rain will come. Okay, this sources will be continuous, so that is called water cycling. Okay children, so in this class we have discussed water and uses of water and also water sources. In next class we will discuss about water recycling, water cycle. What is the water cycle? Okay, we will discuss next class. All of you take a part.